everyone, welcome to watch this usage demo video of the Smartmail Plus. We designed this Gmail add-on application to help users easily generate emails and replies using ChatGPT. Today I will walk you through how to use our application from a user's perspective. Okay, let's begin. We are currently in the internal testing stage. The add-on hasn't been released on the Google Workspace Marketplace, so we cannot find it here. So we only can deploy it in the Google Apps script, which is our development platform. And we use test deployment and install it. And then we can find it in the add-ons. Oh, I have to refresh here. Okay, now we can see our application is here, the Smartmail Plus, and it will show on the right side the sidebar. To the Gmail main page and click the icon of our application, and we can see our home page of our application, and we can start with this button to start to generate a new email, or we can select an email to start. Our application has three main features. One is based on the user's request, and the second is based on the user attitude, and the third one is based on the scenarios. So I will walk through how to use each of them. Okay, let's start from the first one. Start to generate a new email. You'll see a page which asks the user input their request, and here's a button, and if you click it, you will go to the next step. So let's just tell my teammate we will do well in our presentation and send the request. This is our AI generated email. Here is the subject, here's the content, and on the bottom of the page we have two buttons. One is the edit email, and one is the save to the draft. If we click the save to draft, it will automatically save to our draft in our Gmail. And let's just click the edit email. We can also see the AI generated email here, and also there's an input, and we can edit it here. Hi team, we can change it to hi my team, and just save the changes. And we can see here it changed to hi my team. And we also can give the AI our feedback, and they will give us a modify of our email based on our feedback, like send good night to my team and send feedback. And you will see here, this is the change of based on our feedback, and the AI generated, and then we can just click the save to draft. When you see this page, that means this draft is already in your draft in your Gmail. Okay, that is the feature one, the application. To the home page, and we can try another way to start. Just click email, and they will be moved to the open email page of our application. And we have four options here. The first one is the generate reply. It is the same function, same as what I showed you before. And let's just quick make it work and show you the same process. So we can just leave it blank, and you will see it will give a general reply, and we can just edit it. And this also the options you can click here, let's try this one cancel change, and it will go back to the email the first time the AI generated email, and we can just save it to drafts, and you will see it here. I just need to refresh it, and also go back to it, and let's begin to the second features, the reply options. We create four options for these parts. First is the positive, the second is negative, and suggest the alternative, and the other. This means your attitude for response for this email. So let's click to choose the positive. And then you will see this is based on your attitude and AI generate email. And also that will be the same process to edit the reply here, and you can choose to save the change when you change it here, and also you can give a feedback here and send feedback to AI, and AI will generate based on your feedback. And also you can just save the draft after you change here, like we just delete the teams and just click the save to draft, and this draft will save to your here, and you will see there's no team. Okay, so let's move to the another function. Okay, let's move to the third function of our application. Maybe we can change to another one from our professor's email, and we just click apply the scenario. And in this page is our scenario page, and AI will find the most suitable scenario for you to reply this email, which here is default scenario named professor communication. And here is our default scenario we created, and there is a list. You can use here by clicking these buttons, or you can just use the AI recommend scenario. Let's click it, and you will find this AI based on this scenario and give your AI generate email. Okay, and that'll be same, and there's all the same, and just save to draft. But sometimes if you have no the default scenario is suitable for this one, you maybe made this situation the AI don't find a suitable scenario for you, so you have two options to do. The first one is use our first function, the generate reply, and also you can create a scenario for this situation. And here you can just create it awareness Wednesday, and that is upcoming event, so maybe I just write or take just like that. Like this is just your requirement for this scenario template, and the AI will generate the real template for you actually. So I just can write I want to join any event, so I can save the changes. Now we will see this scenario in our scenario library. It will save it here, and is our manage scenario page. In here you can create a new scenario, or you can look at what scenario you have in your library. We can just click on the what scenario we just create, and there is the new scenario name, which means you can editing your scenario here. You can change it to the uppercase, and you can just like there will be your interest. What I write is I like some like sport, music, movies. This is participation. This is what I write to the requirement for the scenario template, and this is here is AI generated template. as what I write down for this scenario. And I also can give a suggestion for this one, like this, and save changes. Next time we will click in there and we will see the changes. And also we can do that means we don't want to save this change, and we also can delete it. Let's delete it, and we will see there's no what we just created before. Yes, there's other things is we create the default scenario for the user. And here's the reset button. That means when you maybe you make the mistake, you delete your scenario, or you maybe delete many scenario, and you forget how to create them. You can just click it, and you will get our default scenario back. This is our application Gmail add-on, and there's all our three main features. One is the generate reply, one is the reply option, which means your reply attitude, and the scenario, which means based on this scenario, AI will generate your reply. And here's like a setting is to manage your scenarios. So this is our Smartmail Plus. Thank you for watching this usage demo video.